After logging in, you must select a username. Once a name is selected, you will see the blue buttons that allow you to move to treatment. If you would like to add patients, click the control panel above. Enter your username and click Login. The number of users in your subscription is listed as well as the number of users you have added to your subscription. Click Add User to add a new name. Fill in the form and click Add User. Click the Back button. To delete a user, click Delete Users. Click Use the name of the user you want to delete and then click Delete User. Click Back to return to the main menu. Select the username you will be using the program. To select specific programs for your patient, click the Personalize option above. Enter your patient's username and then place check marks by the programs you want for your patient. Click the back arrow to return to the main menu. Click the Professionals button and then click the Personal Programs category and you will see the programs you checked listed in that category. Select the program and then click Continue. As with all of our programs, click the large button at the bottom of the lesson to start.
Hello. Click or touch the action, Cooking. That was great. Click or touch the action, Pushing a ball uphill. Good. Click or touch the action, Dancing. No, the correct action has a red border.
The Individuals button automatically selects programs related to a goal. Click a goal and you will see the programs related to that goal. Some of our programs use speech recognition providing speech practice. Click on Name Visual Confrontation Name. Select a lesson. Notice the microphone icon. That icon lets you know that the program accepts speech input. Click the large button to begin. Click the microphone icon and when it starts flashing, provide the required response.
Tape dispenser.
Good.
Extension cord.
That was great.
You can also type your response.
Yes.
Yes.
The first letter is P.
The first letter is P.
The papers were held together with
An office supply.
The answer is either pencils, phone, or a paper clip.
John, nice.